In this video, we're going to teach you the...
The jazz box whip.
What is it? Jazz box.
In this video, we bring you...
The jazz box whip. When I taught this in class, all the guys were like, oh my God, that's so fun. And then they had to do it. Their brains broke a little bit. But turns for guys are very limited sometimes. So that's what I was looking for, because Jeff likes to turn.
Where'd you find this move?
On Facebook. I don't know whose it was. I'm sorry.
And what's it called?
Well, we called it the jazz box whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Can I try it?
You can try it.
All right, I'm going to do it my way first.
Woo! Oh, God. Hold on.
2, 3, and 4. Oh, that's your way.
That is my way.
The right way.
Oh, that's actually...
He found out it's easier.
Why don't you lead it?
I made my own way when I switched.
Yeah. This is Emily's way.
3 and 4, because I keep wanting to pick this hand up.
So we're just creating new moves today.
That's what we do.
In this video, we bring you...
The jazz box whip.
What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
All right, jazz box whip. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But it's really just based off of a whip with a single outside turn. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. The follower goes half turn, anchor, step. And I say this all the time as Megan does the footwork for the single outside turn.
From the whip. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 like our normal whip. Then we're going to turn for 5 like normal. But now on 6, we're going to turn again. 6, and then we have 7 and 8.
So the followers have to know that, because this is tricky for the leaders, and I don't want to have to work too hard to make that turn happen, because the leaders already have hard enough footwork with this jazz box. So this is going to go over the top like we would lead what's called a behind the back whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I've done a jazz box with my feet to both get to the other side and have this hand behind me. If we do that one more time, I bail out of the slot for 1, 2, 1, 2. I start to go across for 3 and 4. So Megan still gets the slot. From here, this is the hard part. It's what I call the leader's peel out. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So leaders, let's get to count 4 and then look at that peel out part. We have 1, 2, jazz box 4. Now from here, this hand has to be relaxed, so I just have her by the fingers. I have to pivot a full half turn on count 5. What I do here, if I get myself out of the way, is I take the slack out of Megan's arm so this doesn't end up too close to her. This is count 5. I go over for 6, and I can change the hand back 7 and 8.
Followers, make sure that you let them take the slack out of your arm and that you don't take it up.
You don't fight it
before it needs to.
So if you fought it, this is what it might look like wrong. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I try to, yes, right? As she keeps this arm pulled back, she's going to shorten that distance here. If you're allowed to take that slack out, over for 6, anchor 7, and 8. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want another cool pattern that uses that cool leader's peel out on count 5, my all-time favorite pattern is the decapitative whip. I did a bunch of variations on it right here. And if you want to see how all these cool patterns track back to your basic push, pass, and a whip, download Megan's pattern tree right here for free.